Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cook a delicious egg sandwich, a perfect meal any time of day. We will start by gathering all the necessary ingredients and tools. You will need 2 large eggs, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and about 1 tablespoon of butter. Make sure you have a non-stick pan, a spatula, and a small bowl ready. Feel free to grab some cheese or bacon if you want to elevate your sandwich. Now, let's cook those eggs to perfection. First, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is shimmering, gently crack your 2 eggs into a small bowl and then carefully pour them into the pan. For a lovely runny yolk, cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, let them cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Don't forget to season with a pinch of salt and pepper. With your eggs cooked, it is time to assemble your masterpiece. Start by toasting 2 slices of your preferred bread to a beautiful golden brown. You can use a toaster or even the same pan. Next, carefully place one of your perfectly cooked eggs onto a slice of the toasted bread. This is where you can get creative. Add a slice of cheese, some crispy bacon, or even a fresh tomato slice. Finally, top it all off with the second slice of toasted bread. And there you have it. Your delicious egg sandwich is ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve it immediately while everything is warm and fresh. This sandwich pairs wonderfully with a hot cup of coffee or a refreshing glass of juice, making it a complete meal. Remember, you can always experiment with different breads, cheeses, and sauces to customize it to your liking. Enjoy your fantastic creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.